Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Yahoo app on your PC. To get started, let's open your browser. For now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. So here, search for Yahoo and download. Now, here, click on the first link. It will navigate you to this interface. Here, click on Allow and tap on Download. So here, in this way, you can download from a browser. But if you want to download the Yahoo app directly from Microsoft Store, then you can go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store. And there, you can search for Yahoo Mail. So here, you can download by clicking on the download button. In this way, you can download the Yahoo app on your PC. So that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.